of office wished each other on New Year's Day. Each other is underlined. Options are everyone, one another, each another, and no improvement. Each other is used for two persons. And when there are more than two persons, we have to use another. So everyone, no, and B option is correct. One another means the members are more than two. That's why this option is correct. One another. And there is no question of the choice D. So option B is correct. Now statement number 6. The workers looked run down after working full day. This is the trick. This is a tricky statement, dear students. The workers looked run down after working whole day. Options are happy, relaxed, exhausted, and no improvement. Which option? Happy? No. Relaxed? No. And run down means tired or exhausted, the meaning of this. So option number C is correct. Option number C is correct. Exhausted means run down, tired. Okay. Now look at the statement number 7. Statement number 7. Statement number 7. The relatives comforted the old man whose wife had died. The relatives comforted the old man whose wife had died. Whose wife had died. Options are sympathized with, pitied, consoled, and no improvement. Dear friends, some words are very close in meaning, but they are not similar. Our particularity about the correct meaning of words are checked or tested. Now, here the option C is correct. Consoled means try to make someone feel less sad or disappointed. Consoled means try to make someone feel less sad or disappointed. हिंदी में उसको सांत्वना देना कहते हैं. So option number C is right. Now statement number next. Sir, statement number 8 वर गया. Statement number 8. Yes, okay. Okay, sir, please. Now here the statement is they obtain the top secret information by wrong means. By wrong means by not good means. Foul way. They obtain the top secret information by wrong means. Here the word wrong is underlined. And options are given: A, clever; B, fraudulent; C, bad; and D, no improvement. No improvement. Wrong, No, clever, bad, and fraudulent. There is no question of D. But wrong here, according to the sense of the statement, we have to use fraudulent. Fraudulent means गलत तरीके से कुछ प्राप्त करना. Fraudulent. To trick someone, to cheat someone for the purpose of getting something valuable. To cheat someone or to trick someone to for the purpose of getting someone. So B option is right. Okay. Next, statement number 9. Statement number 9. His speech was broadcasted. His speech was broadcasted over the radio last Thursday. Again, his speech was broadcasted over the radio last Thursday. Was broadcasted is underlined. Was broadcasted is underlined. Options are 1. Was broadcast, had been broadcast, has been broadcast, and no improvement. Third form of the broadcast is broadcast only. BROADCAST. Broadcast is a word which has 3 forms. First form of the verb, second form of the verb, and third form of the verb is same. Broadcast, broadcast, and broadcast. So this option number A is correct. Option number A, was broadcast, is correct. Because 3 forms of this verb same. Then statement number 10. Statement number 10. Both the mother-in-laws welcome the newlywed with garlands of flowers. Newlywed, who the persons who are newly married. Both the mother-in-laws. This part is underlined. Mother-in-laws welcome the newlywed with garlands of flowers. No doubt this is wrong. Now we have to choice. Number 1, mothers-in-laws, mother-in-law, mothers-in-law, and no improvement. Dear friends, mothers-in-law, both means we have to use the plural form of the mother-in-law. And the plural form of mother-in-law is not mother-in-laws. The plural form of mother-in-law is mothers-in-law. Mothers-in-law. So option number C is right. Now, statement number 11. Statement number 11. So here option number C is correct. Mothers-in-law. Mothers-in-law. Now statement number 11. Did their bus come on time? Did their bus come on time? Options: theirs, their, and no improvement. Option number D is correct. D is correct. THIR, there is a possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. And then there's, it becomes the possessive pronoun. देयर के बाद नाउन की आवश्यकता होती है. देयर नीड्स अ नाउन आफ्टर देयर, एंड देयर्स के बाद नाउन की आवश्यकता नहीं है. सो THEIR, देयर, दिस ऑप्शन इज राइट. Did their bus come on time? Now next statement. Mayank was working overtime for the last 2 weeks. Mayank was working overtime for the last 2 weeks. Was working. Option A is working, B is being working, has been working, and no improvement. So dear friends, option number C is correct, has been working. For plus time और since plus time expressions दिखाता है. Sentence perfect या perfect continuous tense में है. And that's why Mayank has been working overtime for the last 2 weeks. Mayank has been working overtime for the last 2 weeks. The action has started in the past and still the action is going on in the present. And that's why we have to use this present perfect continuous tense. C option only. And now statement number 13. This is going to be the last statement. Actually, we were to take 10 examples. We have taken 3 more. Now, statement number 13. Rushikesh sir. Hello.
Yes, sir.
शेवटचं स्टेटमेंट घेऊ आणि नंतर डाऊट सेशन एक 5 मिनिटासाठी किंवा 10 मिनिटासाठी घेऊ.
ठीक आहे सर.
हो येस. शेवटचं स्टेटमेंट नंबर 13. ऍक्च्युली वी वर टू टेक 10 पण आपण 13 घेऊ. अगोदरही काही घेतलेले. एव्हरी मॉर्निंग I get up at 4 o'clock. Dear friends, look at the statement. Every morning I get up at 4 o'clock, but today I get up at 7 o'clock. Options are A, got up, B, was getting up. थोडं स्मॉल करा. लास्ट 2 ऑप्शन्स आर नॉट सीन. शेवटचे 2 ऑप्शन दिसत नाहीत. सी आणि डी. थोडंसं छोटं करा. हा यस. ओके सर. ओके थँक्यू. येस ओके. नाउ every morning I get up at 4 o'clock, but today I get up at 7 o'clock. First option is got up, B is was getting up, C is am getting up, and D no improvement. Option number A is correct, got up. Every morning I get up at 4 o'clock. Here the habit or habitual action is same, but today the action is completely done. So we have to use past tense. Got up. The first part of the sentence and that's why next part has come in the present tense, and that's why we the next earlier part is an habitual action. It's only a habitual action. It is the matter of simple present tense, but in the second part of this action, the action is already done. That's why we have to use past tense. And here this option got up is correct. Though the person gets up at 4 o'clock every day, but today he got up at 7 o'clock. Dear students, today's part was very important. That was sentence improvement, and for this, mastery in English grammar is must. And I hope that you will study the rules and regulations, each and every topic of grammar. I wish you all the best. Now, don't go anywhere. For the next 10 minutes, we will start our doubt session. And before asking any question, you have to just raise your one hand. Raise your one hand and one student at one time only. Not all the students will speak out, just one student. When you will be given the permission to ask the question, only that student will ask the question. Don't make haste. ऋषिकेश सर, त्यांना अनम्यूट करा.
ओम.
ऋषिकेश सर, त्यांना अनम्यूट करा.
ओम आज. Om ask.
Om. Om, please.
Om, you are not audible.
Om, तुझा आवाज येत नाही. You are not audible. Speak out. First, you have to do yourself unmute. Unmute yourself and then ask the question. Okay, next participant.
Hello,
Next
sir.
participant ला unmute.
Hello, sir. Please
Yes.
explain eight. Hello, sir. Please explain 8 number question number 8.
Okay. Okay. Statement number 8 left for yourself. Statement number 8 was, they obtained the top secret information by wrong means. Wrong means fraudulent, cheating. Okay, actually this wrong word goes little bit with the bad, but actual or particular word is given here, and if we don't know the meaning of particular words, then we will get confused and we will go for the choice number C. Fraudulent means cheating or trick. Cheating or trick. To trick someone for the purpose of getting something valuable. So we have two options, bad and fraudulent. So fraudulent is more particular, and that's why we have to go with this option number B. Okay, and henceforth do the words. It's very important. If you don't know the words, then it is very difficult for you to get the sense of the statement. Next student.
Thank you, sir.
हाँ, ऋषिकेश सर नेक्स्ट ला अनम्यूट करा.
Hello, sir.
Yes, your name please.
Mayuresh.
Okay, Mayuresh, come on.
I not
Come a little
understand.
faster, man. Statement number
5.
you are not audible. Speak out.
Statement number 5.
Statement number 5. Okay.
Yes.
Look at the statement number 5. Statement number 5 is, the staff members of office wished each other on New Year's Day. Again, I read the statement. The staff members of office wished each other on New Year's Day. Each other is used for each other. Hello, am I audible?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, when the members are more than 2, we have to use another. And in the office, there are not just 2 members. There are more than 2 members. And that's
Sir,
why
but I
we have to
C is
use
correct.
B is correct, one another.
Sir, I think
Each
C.
other is used for only 2 persons or things. And one another you can use for more than 2, maybe 3, 4, 5. Up to the number they are there. Next, Rushikesh sir, next line mute kara.
Mayuresh, is your queries over? Mayuresh, is your queries
What?
over?
Yes, sir.
Next student.
Sir.
Yeah, statement Statement number,
7.
please.
7.
7. Okay. 7. Now look at here. The relatives comforted the old man whose wife had died. Again, let me remember this statement for you. The relatives comforted the old man whose wife had died. Actually, it's the sad news.
Mm.
And comforted here is underlined, so that part is wrong. Instead of
Yes,
that comforted, we have to use the correct part. And in the options, you will see sympathized with. They seems to be correct. They sympathized with. This seems to be correct. But more than this, one more correct word is there. If other options are not there, then we'll have to choose for the one. But other meaningful words or the choices or multiple choices are given. Let's see. Second one is pitied. That seems to be correct also. Actually, first three seem to be correct, but out of these three, we have to select which is proper, very particular, and that particular is consoled. So option number C is correct. Consoled. Consoled. Consoled means to try to make someone feel less sad or disappointed. Santwana dena. This consoled is a word which we use at such incidents or the events. Next. This is going to be the last student. Rushikesh sir, last one student la permit kara. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Last student now.
Sir,
Your name?
statement number 11.
Statement number 11. Very good. Look at the statement carefully, my dear friend. The pronunciation of there, T-H-E-R-E there, and T-H-E-I-R, though their pronunciations are same, but they are different in meaning. Statement, did their bus come on time? Here, there is a word which is underlined, and there indicates the place. Actually, there should be a pronoun. And what pronoun is correct? T-H-E-I-R there. Already there is there. T-H-E-I-R there. Did their bus come on time? उनकी बस समय पर आई क्या? So there you should not use. There you should not use particular word. T-H-E-R there is given. So instead of the underlined word T-H-E-R-E, instead of this, you have to replace with T-H-E-I-R there.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Welcome. Do the study, my dear friend.
Okay.
Rushikesh sir, close करूयात.
Sir, last 9 minutes remaining, sir.
Sorry.
Last 9 minutes remaining, sir.
No, but we have to stop. The topic is over. With its doubt. We
But
have started earlier.
Hand is raised of some
Sir.
Next student, question.
Sir, statement number 10 मध्ये आपलं both use केलंय ना, मग B right येऊ शकतं.
Okay. Now look at the statement number 10, dear friend. Both the mother-in-laws. Now here is not the question of plural subject, my dear friend. The correct form of plural number. The correct form of plural number. So mothers-in-laws is not correct plural form of the subject. The correct form of the plural subject is mothers-in-law. Mothers-in-law. Hello, are you getting? Mother-in-laws is not correct. We want there a plural form of the subject. Okay? But the correct plural form, mothers-in-laws, L-A-W-S. This is not correct form of the plural number. The correct plural form of the subject is mothers-in-law, M-O-T-H-E-R-S, mothers-in-law. Mother-in-law, singular number, and plural number is mothers-in-law. So option number C is correct. Mother-in-law is the singular number and mothers-in-law is the plural number. म्हणजे एक वचनी मदर्स इन लॉ आहे आणि त्याचं अनेक वचनी मदर्स इन लॉ आहे. मदर्स इन लॉज नाही, मदर्स इन लॉ. नेक्स्ट
सिद्धार्थ.
हा
सिद्धार्थ.
Sir.
नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट.
Hello,
स्टेटमेंट.
sir.
हाँ स्टेटमेंट. Statement, please. Speak on the statement, please.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, please. You speak on.
Hello, sir. Statement 12.
Statement number 12. Very good. Mayank was working overtime for the last 2 weeks. It seems to be correct for the last 2
Statement
weeks.
12.
Mayank was working. Okay. The action has begun in the past and still the action is going on in the present. Look at here. Listen carefully. When an action begins in the past and still it is running in the present, that time we have to use present perfect continuous tense. And we get the present perfect continuous from C. Option number C, has been working. Has been working. If present perfect continuous tense is not there, then we'll have to use, or we would have to use the present perfect tense. But present perfect option is not there. Just one option remains, and that is present perfect continuous tense. When action has begun in the past and still is running in the present, for that action we have to use present perfect continuous tense. And present perfect continuous tense indicating option is there. That option is C. So option number C, has been working, is correct. Next. Next student.
Statement number 6.
Statement number 6. Okay. Come on to the statement number 6. The workers looked run down after working whole day. Look at the sense or the meaning of the sentence. Look at here. Run down means not relaxed. If we know the meaning of run down, then it will be easy for us to solve this kind of statement. So it is important for us to do the vocabulary. Run down means exhausted or tired. Run down means exhausted or tired. So tired option is not here. Option is exhausted. Run down means not happy. Run down means not relaxed. So run down means exhausted. So option number C is there. Exhausted means tired. The workers looked run down. The workers looked exhausted after working whole day. दिन भर का काम करने के बाद जो वर्कर है, श्रमिक है, वो एग्जॉस्टेड दिखाई दिए, थके हुए दिखने लगे. Exhausted. So option number C is right. Next.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Statement number, please.
4.
Statement number 4.
Four.
Okay. Now look at here. Okay, dear student. The two brothers shared the property beside themselves. प्रॉपर्टी है, दोनों में बांट लिया, ऐसा इसका मीनिंग है. तो इसमें अंडरलाइन पार्ट इज, तो बिसाइड इज रॉन्ग.
पहिला फोन कुणा चालू?
Beside is wrong. No doubt beside is wrong. When we use between is used for two persons or two things, and among or amongst is a word which is used for more than two. Obviously, the option number A is wrong. Among is used for more than two. and two brothers means there are two only. So among is wrong. Among can be used for more than two. दो से अधिक लोग और वस्तुओं के लिए among का इस्तेमाल होता है. Then between is used for two persons or two things. Between is used for two persons or two things, and amidst is used for more than two or two persons or two things. So obviously these two options are wrong. There is just one option, that is between. When property is divided, it is shared between two brothers. So between is used for two. Remember this. Remember this. Two is used for only two brothers, two persons, or two things. And among and amongst are the words which are used for more than two. दो से अधिक हो तो among और amidst, और दो ही हो तो फिर between. और ऋषिकेश सर,
Yes, sir.
we will stop now.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Last doubt, please.
Oh, okay, last student. Statement number, please.
Sir, statement number 9, sir. Actually,
Okay.
the past tense, no, sir, it is. So broadcast, I think broadcasted will be the correct, no, sir.
Your question is absolutely right, my dear friend. Broadcast जो है उसके तीनों verb form जो है same होते हैं बेटा. Broadcast,
Okay.
present
अच्छा.
form, broadcast past form, and broadcast third form. So
Okay, sir.
yes. So broadcasted is
Okay.
not good. Was broadcast is correct.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay, Rushikesh sir, will stop here. Rushikesh sir will stop here. Last query was finished. Tell them tomorrow's time.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Try to join at 10:30. There will be the science lecture. Try to join at 10:30. There will be the science lecture.